Welcome to History's Turning Point. It is I, Sir Historius. Today we journey back in time to explore the cradle of civilization, Mesopotamia, situated between the Tigris and Euphrates River in modern-day Iraq. This ancient land gave birth to innovations that still impact our lives today. Mesopotamia, meaning land between the rivers, is where human civilization as we knew it truly began. Around 3100 BCE, city-states like Sumer, Akkad, and Assyria and Babylon flourished. But what made this region so special? First, writing. That's right. Mesopotamians invented cuneiform, one of the earliest writing systems. They used it to document trade, laws, and even epic poetry, like the famous Epic of Gilgamesh. Imagine, without their innovations, we might not have the books, emails, or social media we rely on today. Next, agriculture. To tame the wild floods of the Tigris and Euphrates, Mesopotamians engineered complex irrigation systems. These advancements turned arid land into fertile farmland, along with allowing cities to grow and economies to flourish. And who can forget their contributions to law? The Code of Hammurabi, one of the earliest legal codes, established principles of justice and resonate even in modern legal systems today. They also looked to the skies, developing early forms of astronomy and mathematics. Mesopotamians divided time into 60-minute hours and laid the groundwork for our understanding of the cosmos. From writing and law to agriculture and mathematics, Mesopotamia's legacy is vast. It's no wonder historians call it the dawn of civilization. Their ingenuity shaped the course of history, and their impact continues to ripple through time. Want more historical adventures? Hit that like button, subscribe, and join us next time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore the ancient world with us.